Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace battery on Ford Escape. Easy method. Start by parking on level ground and opening the hood, then locate the battery and disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent shorts. Remove hold-down clamps and lift the old battery straight up using a steady grip. Clean terminals and tray with a baking soda solution, then install the new battery, secure clamps, and reconnect positive then negative terminals. Before you begin, double-check your tool list and safety gear so the swap goes smoothly and safely. Use a proper wrench and terminal puller if needed, and keep a rag and baking soda nearby to clean corrosion. If your truck has sensitive electronics, consider a memory saver to keep radio and computer settings intact. Otherwise, note any codes or presets, and always disconnect negative before positive to reduce spark risk. Follow a clear sequence. Disconnect negative, then positive, remove hold-downs, lift the battery free, and clean the tray. Place the new battery in the same orientation, secure the hold-down, and reconnect positive followed by negative. Tighten terminals snug but do not over-torque, and spray a terminal protectant if available. Start the engine to confirm a strong connection, check lights and radio, and dispose of the old battery at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.